Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna be show you how to fix iOS 26 bugs. So guys, if you have updated your device and you are facing lots of bugs like battery draining faster, overheating, or iPhone lagging, so guys, today in this video I'm gonna be show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to just simply turn off your device for one time and turn it on again, and then check if your problem is fixed or not. If still having this problem, then you have to just simply force restart your device for one time. For that you have to press and release the volume up and volume down button and keep holding the power button until the Apple logo appears. So guys, do this and check if your problem is fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then you have to just simply open the settings, scroll down and then tap on screen time, scroll down and then tap on content and privacy restrictions and turn this toggle off, and after that tap on privacy and security, tap on location services and turn this toggle off. After turning it off, you have to just simply scroll it up and here tap on journal and here tap on background app refresh, and you have to just simply turn off this toggle for one time. So guys, after doing this, hopefully your problem will be fixed. If still not fixed, then you have to just simply tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset, and then reset your all setting, and hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, if you are facing this problem again, then you have to just simply again tap on transfer reset iPhone and then tap on erase content and settings, and then you have to just simply reset your device for one time. So guys, do this, and after that guys, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If the videos helps you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.